So I love my Smittybilt X20 winch with remote winch control. But the other day when I went to use my winch, it did this. I don't really think so. So we're gonna change the batteries in it. You'll need one A23 battery, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and some cardboard. The cheapest price I could find on these batteries was a 2-pack on Amazon. So in order to change the battery, we're going to move screws from here, 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 and here. Before we do that, we're going to draw a pretty picture of our controller. To take a nail or a punch, make little holes about where the screws are. When you remove the screw, just push it in the cardboard so you know where it came from, if that kind of makes sense. It just slides apart, and the battery is right here. Let's take the battery out. Be careful because it's very difficult to tell the positive from the negative end. It's kind of hard to slide. You have to slide in there a good bit. Put it in. Now you can take a second screwdriver. If you take a Phillips and a regular, rub them together real fast. If you don't have a magic screwdriver, then you just snap the two pieces back together and just put the screws back where they came from. Luckily you had it all laid out in cardboard so you know what went where. Alright, so now that we got the batteries in it, see how it works. I feel invincible.